bus.
Tent. Inflatable tent. First, we must inflate the tent. Choose a tent that you like. Pull 2 ropes so the tent won't be blown away. 1, 2, round top tent. Pull the hook to hoist the tent up. Hammer 4 nails to secure the tent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Choose a tent that you like. Triangular tent. Set up the frame first. 1, 2, 3. Once the frame is set up, use tape to secure it. Tie it a few times around. Tie it a few times around. Tie it a few times around. Choose a tent that you like. Yay! The tent is up! And we can go into it now.
Thank you.